Good morning everyone and welcome back to our live. Ayan. This is our first game ngayong araw na ito. August 26. Oh sorry, correction. August 25. 2025. Ayan. This is the battle between the Xavier School versus the LaSalle Green Hills. August 26. Oh, sorry, correction. August 25. Ito po ang ating starting 5 sa Xavier School. Andre Yu, or DeAndre Yu, and Cole Depano, Jerwin Tan, and Brody Kyoto. At sa ating LaSalle Green Hills, nandyan sila Loki Cruz, Villegas, jersey number 10, number 0, and number 16. Ayan, shoutout po sa lahat ng parents na kasama natin dito. Ayan, shoutout, and let's start. First ball, mapupunta sa LaSalle Green Hills. Loki Cruz with the first basket para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Out of bounds. Wala mapupunta sa Xavier. Rowdy, pass to Depano, pass to Cole. Ooh, there's a foul. Number 10. Shooting in the line, jersey number 13, Cole. No good. Second shot is good para Cole. Kay Cole. Loki Cruz. May tanga ng bola. Didepensa ni Jerwin. Pass to number 0. Back to Loki. To Villegas. Binigay sa corner. 4-3. Ooh. That's a 2 points by jersey number 0. Jerwin, pass to Depano, bounce pass to Cole. Cole, sumalaksak, use their height advantage. 4-3 ang ating talaan. Low-key, pass to Villegas. Setting on the play. Villegas to number 10. Jump shot, no good. Rebound. Makukuha. Pass to Villegas sa corner. In a basket para kay Villegas. Number 99. Brody, pass to Yu. Yu looking for his teammate. Ay na ang double team, but there's a traveling violation. Well, the double team there para sa LaSalle. Cruz to Jerwin. Cruz, pinagay sa corner. Number 0, floater, wala. Rebound by Cole. Pass to Yu. DeAndre Yu. Pass to Jerwin. Pass to Depano. Jump shot sa corner. Yes, sir. Down by 1. Loki Cruz, didepensa ni Jerwin. To number 0. Number 0. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni DeAndre. Yu. Pass to Depano. Depano. Outlet pass to Cole. Tumira, no good. Another offensive rebound, no good. And out of bounds. Time out. Out naman ba? Good, wala pa na po. Pass to you. You with a spin. Hook shot, no good. Offensive rebound. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin. Running shot. Uy, what a nice floater. By Jerwin Tan. Ayan, shout out sa pamilya ni Jerwin Tan. And just lost her Erwin Tan and Mama Gina Ong. Good morning po sa inyo lahat. Another steal para kay Jerwin. 2 against 2. Tan. I pick up and there's a foul. Timeout. Timeout. LaSalle Green Hills. Official score is 7-6. Tingnan naman natin ang huddle ng Xavier School dito. Punta naman tayo sa LaSalle Green Hills. Ray huddle. Alright, back to the ball game. On the free throw area, jersey number 7, Jerwin Tan. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Para Jerwin Tan. 8-6, 2-point lead para sa home team. Loki from elbow 3, no good. Rebound by Depano. Depano to Jerwin. Uy, ayan na. Tyrese Tan. No good. Sorry, that is Titus. Jerwin with the shot, no good. Rebound by Villegas. Steal by Tan. Setting on the play. Hand off to Depano. Depano susubukang matake. Binigay. Titus. Pass to Depano. Fake. And that's a traveling violation. Loki Cruz. May tanga ng bola. Cruz, sumalaksak. What a deep. Good defense para sa Xavier. Ayun na, Titus. Steal by number 10. Pass to Loki. Cruz. Block by Tan. Loki, didiskarte. Loki, binigay sa corner. Number 0, stop and bump. In and out, rebound by number 10. Number 10, pass to Loki with a teardrop basket. Tabla tayo sa 8. Number 34, pass to Titus. Titus, pinasa kay number 13, too strong. Another rebound, another steal, but there is a foul. Oh, on the free throw area. And shout out kay Coach T.Y. Tag. Villegas from elbow. No good. Rebound by Cole. Pass to Depano. To Titus. Pass to Jerwin. Bounce pass to you. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ng LaSalle Green Hills. Pass to Loki. Cruz. Derecho. Basket. Lamang na ang LaSalle Green Hills. Depano, pass to you. Pass to Jerwin. Pass to Titus. From elbow 3. No good. Rebound by Depano. Depano with a jump shot. No good. Another offensive rebound. You too strong. Rebound by number 10. Pass to Loki. Cruz, sumalaksak, tumira, and there's a foul, and one. Para kay Cruz. Timeout. Save his tool. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds. Official score is 12-8. Natin huddle sa Xavier. Back in the ball game. Bonus free throw para kay Loki Cruz. Ayan na, pinasok na si Felipe Go. And Andre, rebound by Felipe. Pass to you. To Gagi. Oy, block by number 10. To Loki. Floater. Basket para kay Loki. Ayan na si Loki. To you. Pass to Felipe. Pass to Gagi. Fake. Tumira. Hey, no good. Another offensive rebound by Felipe. No good. And out of bounds. Left, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Felipe. Go to you, jump shot, no good. Offensive rebound para kay Gagi. Yabas. Hand off to you. You with the floater, yes sir. Down by 4. 14-10. Almost 27 seconds left. Loki didiskarte. Loki sumalaksak. But there is a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 24, Loki Cruz. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Loki. Loki. Basket. 16-10 in favor pa rin sa guest team. Ang Xavier, ang Lasal Green Hills. You fake. Ayun na si you. Pinasa kay Felipe. Go. Sumalaksak. Tumira. No good. Rebound by you. Fade away shot. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line. Jersey number 34. That is you. Time remaining. 4.7 seconds left. First shot para kay you. You basket. Nabasa lamang ng Lasal Green Hills. Second shot. Oh, in and out. Rebound by Felipe. No good. Rebound by number 10. Out of bounds. And that's the end of our first quarter. Walang tunod na. Official score is 16-11 in favor of Lasal Green Hills. Natin ang handle ng Lasal ng Xavier. Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Number 25, handoff to you. Pass to Felipe, catch and shoot. Swak na swak yan para kay Felipe. Go. Number 24, Loki. Depensa number 25. Pass number 21. Na-atake. Na-ipit. And that's a traveling violation. Good defense para sa Xavier. You mag-inbound. Pass to you. Back to you. Number 34 to number 25. To Gagi. Gagi atake. Binigay. Felipe and one. Back-to-back basket para kay Felipe. Go. And a shout out kay Mr. Go. Ayan, a proud dad of Felipe. Go. On the bonus shot, no good. Rebound. Tama tayo sa isa. Steal by Gagi. Ay na si Gagi. Setting on the play. Pass to number 25. To you. Catch and shoot. In and out. Rebound by number 10. Outlet pass. Number 21. Kick out. Number 0. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Loki. Cruz. Drop pass. Tumira. And there's a foul. number 11. Shooting at the line, jersey number 20, Tulfo, or jersey number 20. First shot is good. Second shot by jersey number 20. No good. Rebound by number 9. Loki with a floater. Basket yan. Malaki na naman ang kalamangan. Ayan na ang pressure defense. Brody. Kyoto. Pass to Andre. Oh. 16-second shot clock violation. Timeout. Timeout ba? Wala po tayong timeout. Number 20 for the inbound. Pass to Loki. Cruz, sumalaksak, tumira, basket. Para kay Loki. Cruz. May tangan ng bola. Hand off to number 25. Oh, munti ka na magawan. Ayun na ang double team. There's a foul by number 24, Cruz. Brody to you. Andre. You. Oy, what a nice finish by you. Number 18. Ayun na, Loki. Binababa ang bola. Depensahan ni number 25. Cruz. Shift. Drive. No good. Rebound by Cow. Ayun na ang double team. Pass to you. You behind the back. You binababa ang bola. Ayun na. You nabitawan. What a steal by number 0. Steal by you. You with the cross. You attack it. Sumira. Whoa, good. Rebound by Cow. No good nga lang doon. Number 0 atake. And there's a foul. And one by jersey number 0. Abonita. Correct me if I'm wrong. Bonus shot para kay number 0. Short. Out of bounds. Xavier School Basketball. Number 25, kick out. Number 10, jump shot, no good. Rebound, out of bounds. Jerwin Tan, hand up to Depano. Pass to Tan from elbow 3, no good. Rebound. Ni Cruz. Loki. Didiskartehan. Didepensahan ni number 25. Setting on the screen. Loki pupunta sa kanan, sumalaksak, and one. Paborito yun. Ni Cruz. Go. Shooting on the line, jersey number 24 for a bunny shot. Ooh. Basket is good. 17-26. Depano, handoff to number 25. Pass to Depano. To number 0. To Jerwin. Tan. Nice strip there by number 0. Number 0. To Cruz. Cruz. Descarte. Ooh. Offensive foul by number 12. Timeout. Xavier School. Time remaining 4 minutes and 18 seconds. Back to the ball game. Jerwin Tan, may taka ng bola. To Depano, back to Jerwin. To Titus. Pinasa sa corner. Ooh, what a swap na swap. Para kay Depano. Cruz. Walang kit. Tawag doon ng ating referee, but there's a traveling violation. Wala mapupunta sa home team. Xavier's Goal Basketball. Down by 7. 26-19. Tan. To Titus. Back to Tan. To Depano from elbow 3. Yes, para sa 3. Para kay Depano. Back-to-back basket para kay Depano dito. Low kick Cruz. Si Jerwin naman ang magbabantay. Setting on the screen. Pinigay sa corner. Number 20. Pass to number 10. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Jerwin Tan. Pass to Depano. Back to Jerwin. To Titus. Pinagay sa corner. Depano with the jump shot. No good. Offensive rebound by number 10. To Tan. Catch and shoot. No good. Rebound by Cole. Cole. Pass to Depano. Depano. Oh, offensive foul. Natamaan nata ang braso ni Villegas doon. Ayan na ang depensa ni Yu. Nakabacksuan para kay Luki. Ayan na. Uy! Backward violation. What a good pass. Defense there para sa Xavier. At dyan na po magkukol ng timeout ang LaSalle Green Hills. Time remaining 2 minutes and 16 seconds. the ball game. 26-25 in favor of the LaSalle Green Hills. Xavier School basketball. Depano, pass to you, back to Depano, to you, to Titus, pinasa loob, go, no good, another offensive rebound, basket yan, para kay Go. Ayun na, number 0, sumalaksak na ng shot, uy, nakasagot ang LaSalle doon. 28-24. Balik sa apat ang lamang ng LaSalle. You to Titus. Nagay sa corner and there's a 3 seconds violation. LaSalle Green Hills basketball. Ooh. Number 0, pinasa corner. Number 10, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Depano. Depano nagmamadali. Depano, sumalaksak, and 1. Basket count and 1 para kay number 30, Depano. Time remaining 1 minute and 8 seconds. Depano shooting on the line for a bonus shot for 3-point play. Basket yan. Baba sa isa ang lamang ng LaSalle. Ayun na, number 0, pass to number 21. Back to number 0. To number 0. Ay, nabitawan. Uy, sayang. What a good hustle para sa Xavier. Bola ng LaSalle. Number 0. Pass to Villegas. Villegas. Uy, there's a foul. Di ka na pumasok yun. Shooting at the line, jersey number 99, Villegas. Shout out sa pamilya Villegas as well. Nandito, kanyang mami na si Ma'am Jane. Oopsie, Titus. Ayun na. You all the way. Basket. Change favor. Lamang na ang home team ng Xavier School. Number 0. Binigay sa corner. Villegas for 3. No good. Rebound by Depano. Depano nagmamadali. Pass to. Back to Depano. No good. Rebound. You, no good, offensive rebound, nagagawan, and that's a jump ball. Depano and Villegas, parehas ayaw magbigay ng bola. Last 5 seconds. 5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the first half, official scores 29-28. Lamang ng isa ang Xavier School. Ayan, mamaya tayo magsisimula na sa ating third quarter. Tingnan muna natin ang huddle ng Xavier. Sorry, collection, that is Ma'am Jan De Leon. And sa mga napaka-supportive mami ni Villegas, jersey number 99. Alright. Hindi, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng nanonood ng ating live. At sa mga parents na nag-invite sa akin to cover this game. Maraming salamat po. I hope you enjoy watching ang ating live. At mapapanood nyo rin po sa YouTube channel ko po ang replay nito. And please don't forget to subscribe nyo rin po ang aking YouTube channel. Same lang din po na aking pangalan. Maraming salamat po. Shoutout muli kay Coach T.Y. Tang. Hello, Coach. Coach. Ayan, ang aking commissioner sa Chachago Kids Basketball. Ayan, sa mga gusto pong sumali, please message nyo na po ang aming page, Chachago Kids Basketball League. Under po yan ni Coach T.Y. Tang. Alright, third quarter coming up. Please don't go away. Shoutout kay Kagawad Rudy Alfonso and kay Ney Morata. Good morning po sa inyo lahat. Shoutout din po kay Noah Zamora. Brother, good morning. Sa mga young guns ng Lasal Green Hills yan. Si Idol Brother Noah Zamora. Good luck from both teams. Grabe, dikit lang ang laban natin. 29-28. Lamang ng isa ang Xavier. Third quarter. Here we go. Gagi. Getting for and rebound. An inbound. Number 25. Pass to Gagi. To Titus. To number 25. Ayun ang depensa ng Lasal. Oh, steal by number 0. Number 0. Sumalaksak. Pumeke, tumira, basket yan para kay number 0. Balik ang kalamangan sa Lasal. Outlet pass. Oh. Good hustle para kay number 16. Number 11. To number 25. Hand off to Gagi. To Titus, nagagawan, and that's a jump ball. Bola ng Lasal Green Hills. Villegas to Loki. Depensa ni number 25, setting on the screen. Loki, kick out. Villegas, sasalaksak, tumira, wala, rebound, makukuha ni Yu. Ay na ang triple team. Uy! Steal by number 16, pass to Cruz. Cruz, atake, tumira, and one. Ayan na. Nagpa-flex na si Loki Cruz. Bonus free throw para kay Loki Cruz. Cruz, no good. Rebound by you. Pass to Gagi. To Titus. Titus. Basket yan. Para kay Titus. Nakakasagot dito si Titus. Loki. Gustong bumawi. Binigay kay number 0. Munti ka na magawan. Stop and pump by number 0. No good. Rebound by you. Pass to Tang. Titus. Didiskarte. Pass to you. Oh. That's a jump ball. Bola mapupunta sa Xavier. You. Maglalabas ng bola. To Depano. Pass to Andre. You. To Titus. Titus, binigay sa corner. Depano with the shot. No good. Offensive rebound. Kao. Basket by Cole. Balik ang kalamangan sa Xavier. 33-32. Cruz. Get the pick. Binigay sa corner. Number 0. Uy, side step. Nakalusot si number 0. Number 20 to you. Andre, kick out. Titus from elbow 3. Short. Rebound. Makukuha ni Titus. Pass to you. And that's a traveling violation daw. Sabi ng ating referee. Time remaining 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Loki. May tahan ng bola. Si Jerwin naman ang magbabantay. Loki. Kick out. Villegas catch and shoot. Uy. No good. Bola dito ng Xavier. Jerwin. Uy, bad pass. Out of bounds. Villegas. Maglalabas ng bola. Hand off to Cruz. Cruz. Ayun na si Jerwin setting on the screen. Cruz nadulas. And that's a traveling violation. Good defense doon para sa Xavier. You maglalabas ng bola. Pass to Depano. Depano binigay. Jerwin. Atake. Sumalaksak. No good. Offensive rebound by Cole. Yes sir. Iba na ang matangkad. Cruz. May tanga ng bola. Cruz. Fake. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Na bitawan. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Crossover to Mira. No good. Rebound by Villegas. Too strong. Good. Go. Pass to Depano. Depano. What a pass. What a shot by Depano. Assisted by Cole. Official timeout tayo. Time remaining 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 16. Alright, back to the ball game. Bola dito ng Lasal. Low kick, Cruz. Pass to number 0. Top of the key, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Cole. Pass to Depano. Depano, pass to Jerwin. 4 against 2. Ayan na, naka-recover. Depano, jump shot. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Ayan na si Cruz. Pass to number 0. Number 0, sumalaksak. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 0 para sa Lasal Green Hills. Wala, mistaken, that's Abonita sa kanyang jersey. No good. Second shot is good. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Pass to Jerwin. Tan, floater, no good. Offensive rebound. Nabitawan, steal. Makukuha ni Cruz. Cruz, nagmamadali. Cruz, atake, no good. Rebound by Villegas, tumira, no good. Rebound by Brody. Pass to you, Andre. Ay na ang triple team. Steal by Villegas. Villegas sa atake. Sumalaksak. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line. Jersey number 99. Villegas. Basket is good. Second shot para Villegas. No good. Rebound by Tan. Ay na. Gagi, what an extra pass. What a fake to you. Tumira, wala. Oy. Mapupunta ang bola kay Gagi. Nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Bola ng Lasal Green Hills. Cruz to Jerwin. Setting on the screen. Iligay sa corner. Number 0. Sumalaksak. Tumira. No good. Rebound. Pass to number 10. Jump shot, no good. Rebound number 55, wala pa rin. Number 0, basket yan. Change favor. Lamang na ang Lasal. Gagi. There's a foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Bola ng Xavier. Titus to Gagi. Didepensa number 0. Pass to Jerwin. Stop and pop. No good. Rebound. Makuha ng Lasal. Number 21. To number 0. Sidestep. Uy, block. Rebound by number 21. Kick out to Loki. Cruz. Kinagay kay number 10. No good. Rebound by Felipe. Pass to Titus. Ayan na, nagagawan. Jerwin. No good. Rebound by Loki. Cruz. Nagmamadali. Cruz sa atake. Sumalaksak. And one. By Loki Cruz. Grabe. Walang takot na sumalaksak doon. Si Loki Cruz. Bonus shot para kay Loki Cruz. No good. Rebound by Felipe. Go. Pass to Titus. Titus gustong makabawi. Titus. Floater. Basket yan. Baba sa isang lamang ng Lasal. Loki. Si Jerwin pa rin ang nagbabantay dito. Isolation play, setting on the screen. Loki to number 21, crossover. Number 21, sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by Felipe. Felipe, pass to Gagi. Nabitawan, maka-recover si Felipe. To Jerwin. Jerwin all the way. Yes, sir! Baitan. Change favor. Lamang ang savior ng isa. Loki, didiskarte. Uy. Loki setting on the screen. Loki sasalaksak. Tumira. Nakalusot si Loki Cruz. Ayun na. Titus again. May tanga ng bola. Titus. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin with the double team. Jerwin na atake. Sumalaksak. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21, pass number 0. Hinahabol na yung... Uy, what a block! Wala. Walang tawag. No call. Alright, end of the third quarter, official score, 42-41. 1-point lead para sa Lasal Green Hills. Tigitan lang ang laban. Dito naman tayo sa Lasal Green Hills dito. Sula sa coach. Tayo sa Lasal, sa Xavier. Natin ang handle ni Coach Oriel and the rest of the team. Dito tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng game, ang fourth quarter. Titus to Gagi. Pass to Titus to you. Back to Gagi sa corner. You atake. Floater. Yes, sir. Balik ang kalamangan sa Xavier. Cruz. Didiskarte. Cruz, step back 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10, 4-3. No good. Out of bounds. Titus Stan. Pass to you. Binigay kay Cole. Oh, there's a foul. Number 16. Iba nang matangkad, sabi ni Cole. No good. Time remaining 8 minutes and 47 seconds. Cole. Whoopsie. Stepping on the line. Bola ng Lasal. Loki. Cruz. Pass to number 21. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Gagi. Gagi. Steal by Loki. Cruz. Sumalaksak. Uy. Niyoyo pa sa ere. Balik ang kalamangan sa Green Hills. Lasal. Titus. Nabitawan. Pass to Gagi. Stop and pop. Uy! Nakasagot ang Xavier doon. 45-44 ang ating taraan. Loki. Nagay sa corner. Number 21. Back to number 16. No good. Rebound. Baiko. Nag-aagawan. And that's a jump ball. Oy, nakasagot ang Xavier Lasaldon. Another steal para kay Loki. Cruz, fade away shot, no good. Rebound by Yu. Ooh, there's a foul. Number 16. Time remaining 7 minutes and 19 seconds. Bola dito ng Xavier. Depano. Pass to Jerwin. To Depano. Steal by Loki. Cruz behind the back. Oh. Napatid. There's a blocking foul. Number 30. 'Villegas with the cross. Villegas, spin. Pass to Loki. Cruz, sumalaksak. Block by Titus. Villegas from elbow 3. No good. Rebound by Felipe. Pass to Titus. Outlet pass to Jerwin. To Brody. Oh, sorry, that's you. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line in jersey number 34, Yu. Six minutes and 23 seconds. Yu, no good. Evo Yu. Let's go, Yu. Basket yan. Swak na swak. Tabla tayo sa 46. Loki Cruz. Nakalusot kay Jerwin. Binigay. What an extra pass. Nakalusot ang Lasaldon. Time out. Xavier. Good. Time remaining 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Tignan natin ang huddle ng Xavier. game. 6 minutes and 8 seconds. 46-48 in favor of LaSalle Green Hills. Ayan na ang full court defense ng LaSalle. Titus to Jerwin. Bounce pass to Felipe. No good. Revo again. No good. Rebound by Felipe. And there's a foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 9, Felipe Go. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Felipe Go. No good. Rebound. Mapupunta sa LaSalle Green Hills. Out of bounds. Same ball. Number 0. Pass to number 10. Pass to Loki. Didepensahan ni Jerwin. Loki. Kick out to number 0. Number 0. Floater. No good. Rebound by Felipe. Pass to you. You. Behind the back. Pinigay. Jerwin. Naitawid. Uy, bad pass. To Loki, sumalaksak, and there's a foul by Jerwin Tan. Shooting at the line, the jersey number 24, Loki Cruz. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Loki. Two for two. 50-47. Lamang na tatlo. Ang LaSalle. Titus. Oy, bad pass. Loki. No good. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Villegas. Jump shot. No good. Last touch. Same ball. Bola ng LaSalle Green Hills. Number 0. Pinigay sa gitna. Pass to Loki. Cruz. Top of the key for 3. Yes. Para sa 3. Spike. Loki Cruz. You to you. Ayan na. You. There's a foul. Number 10. Shooting the line in jersey number 18. Andre Yu. Oh, good. Let's go. Second shot para kay Hugh. Ayan na. Nakabawi. Basket yan. 48-53. Loki Cruz. Sino ang didepensa? Loki sumalaksak. Basket yan. Halos doon si Loki. Stefano. With a double team. You. Pinigay. Felipe. Basket by Felipe. Go. Baba sa 5. Ang kalamangan ng LaSalle. Loki. Crossover, binigay kay number 0. Jump shot, no good. Rebound ni Yu. Pass to Depano. Depano all the way, no good. Rebound by Titus. One hand shot, no good. Offensive rebound para kay Yu. Yes, sir. 55-52. Baba sa 3 ang Kalamangan ng Lasal. Cruz diskarte from elbow to ring. Short, arc bounce. Time remaining 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Ayun na, wala na ang Xavier. Uy, bad pass. Naka-recover. Felipe. Nakabawi doon. Back-to-back basket para kay Felipe. Go. Number 24. Sumagot naman si Loki. Para sa Lasal. Depano to Yu. Ay na, ang double team. Yu, nakalusot. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin, sidestep. Yes, sir! Ayan na, down by 1. 57-56. Cruz. Oh, still! Naka-recover si Loki. Tumira! Nakasagot na naman. Balik sa 3 ang Kalamangan ng Lasal. Uy, there's a foul. That's a penalty. Lasal Green Hills under penalty situation. 59-56. Crucial free throw para kay Depano. First shot is good. Ay Depano. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Second shot para kay Depano. 2 for 2. 1 point lead para sa Lasal. 59-58. Ayan na. Hold on, guys. Sino kaya ang bibitaw? Tingnan natin. Let's go. Cruz. Setting on the screen. Lou Cruz. Floater. No good. Rebound by Depano. Pass to Yu. Yu. Looking for his teammate. Oy! Naka-recover. Bounce pass. Felipe. Wala. Rebound. Depano naman. Basket pa. Let's go! 1 point lead para sa Xavier. Change favor. Ayan na si Cruz. Didepensahan ni Jerwin. And Cruz. Setting on the screen. Cruz. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Oh, steal by Depano. Depano, pass to Yu. Yu, inubos ang oras. Pass to Depano. Depano binigay. Naitawid. 3 against 1. Jerwin sidestep. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni number 0. Ayan na. Cruz. Sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound. By Felipe. Grabe yun. Good defense there para kay Felipe to get their rebound. Masusubukan ang free throw percentage o sa free throw area. Felipe go on the crucial free throw. Ayan na. Felipe first shot, no good. And go 5 seconds remaining. Ayan na. Felipe. Maipapasok kaya ang second free throw? Basket yan! Time out! Lasal Green Hills. Ayan na, may pagkakataon. Tumira ang Lasal with a 5.5 seconds remaining. Tingnan natin ng timeout ng Lasal Green Hills. Grabe yun. Napakadikit ng laban. Alright, back to the ball game. Tignan natin ang sabi ni coach dito sa huddle. 61-59, 2-point lead. Oh sorry, correction. That is a 9.5 seconds. Mahaba-haba pa ito. 9.5 seconds remaining para sa ating game clock. Ang magi-inbound si number 21. Ayan na, uy! Pinagay sa corner, number 0, 4-3! No good! Rebound by Cole! At walang foul! At yan na, may foul na! Grabe! Munti ka nang ma-shoot si number 0. Ang tira nun. What a rebound para sa Xavier. Masusubukan si Depano naman sa free throw area. Depano on the free throw area, number 30. Oh, no good. Second shot para kay Depano. 2.1 seconds remaining. Ayan na. Oy, binato na lang. Loki. Oh! And there you have it. Grabe. Wow. Napakagandang laban yan. What a nice game para sa Lasal Green Hills. And congratulations. Shout out, Coach T.Y. Tang. Alam mo? And congratulations para sa Xavier to get their first win para sa against Lasal Green Hills. And nice game, grabe. Munti ka na ipasok ang tira sa huling shot doon ni number 0. Our final score is 61-59. Panalo po ang ating ang home team, Xavier School. Wow, grabe. What an intense game. Alright, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng nanonood ng ating live, especially po sa mga parents. Ayan, invited me here. Nandiyan sila Ma'am Jana De Leon, Ma'am Aline Q, Sir Jasper Yeng. Ayan, and shoutout din po kala Sir Erwin Tan and Ma'am Gina Ong as well. Ayan, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating live. Hanggang sa muli, and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Maraming pong salamat. And shoutout din sa kaila Sir Mr. Cruz. Ayan, napaka-supportive. Mrs. and Mrs. Cruz. Ang mommy and daddy. Ni Loki Cruz. Ayan, shoutout po sa parents ng ating Xavier dito sa aking kalawa. Aline! Hey! Congrats! is a first win para sa Xavier kontra sa Lasal Guerrillas. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Hanggang sa muli.